Okay, in this morning, I will show you how to use the classroom online using Algorithmics Academy. Now, first of all, as you can see in the screen, there's a website. It's written in the website in learn.alg.academy/online. And if we enter the link, it will show the screen the show. It says this: welcome to the video room, and this is your username. And before you start the lesson, please make sure that everything is working, which means that we will make sure that the camera, the microphone, and let me show you to explain. The first one is the camera. If you turn on the camera, you will see your face using the laptop camera or other cameras that you're using. And the second one is microphone. You can see it's written that mute microphone, or if I press, it will turn on the microphone is mute. And if you want to unmute again, we just press the second. So the first one is how to enter the classroom. It's only we open our browser. Today I'll use Google Chrome, and the website we will enter is learn.alg.academy/online. So the only step is only to click the button Start Lesson, which means after we click it, we will enter the class, and this is the first display that we will see when we join our classroom. And the second one is how to use a chat. If you No, I mean, first, before we use the chat, let me show you how to screencast, which means that we want to show our display in the monitor, which means when we use our laptop or when we use our computer, you can see this button which it tells us the screencast. And if you enter, you may see the three tabs in the browser. The first one is the Chrome tab, which means the tab, for example, like the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. Or maybe if you want to enter a minute or we choose one of the tab, we just click. Let me introduce, or let me explain. If we enter this, which means before I searching Google Meet, if you see it, this is it will pop up a notification, which means that the sharing the step to learn.alg.academy, and it will automatically display in the classroom. But because for now I'm using other platform to record this, so this is will be the demonstration that we will see. And if we want to stop or finish the stop sharing, we just click the button Stop Sharing. And the third part, the facilitation about this classroom, is how to use a chat. If you want to message our the teacher, or maybe our friends, we just click. Let's we demonstrate, or let us imagine if we were in a classroom, especially in offline. When teacher is explained, maybe the teacher will explain just like using whiteboard and using marker. But if we how to make this scene, and we will translate into the online session. We just say it in the chat. Maybe if the teacher is saying, is there anything question, student? We just if we want to use our chat, we just click, hi teacher, may I ask a question? And this message, when I say, hi teacher, may I ask a question, it will generally published, or maybe it generally shows into other participant that joins our class. And maybe the teacher will notice too about the notification, such as if let's say if I want to explain, or if I want to ask something, the teacher will say, and maybe the teacher will respond, okay Abel, because my name is Abel. Okay Abel, you can ask something, you can unmute, or maybe if you want to only asking a question in the chat, you just use the chat. And let's say if you want to say, what is 1 + 1? Now, it will pop up in the teachers and also other participants. So this is the three basics to use the classroom. And if you want to more know, or if you want to more understand about how to use this classroom, you can explore, such as the camera or raise hand, especially maybe in other occasion. Okay, that's all for my tutorial. Thank you.
Ya udah sekitaran